How to change your username in Plex application step by step. Hi there everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. If you are looking to change your username in Plex, then the process is quite easy, so make sure you follow the video till the end. First of all, to change your username in Plex, launch open the Plex application on your computer or your Android or iOS device. Once you're inside the home page of Plex, make sure that you're also logged into your account, and once you're in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, tap on Profile. Inside Profile, tap on Edit Profile. On the next page, select Username option and enter a new username you want to change to. After typing down a new username, click on Save, and you have successfully changed your username in Plex account. Now you can enjoy a personalized account name across all the devices. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.